Let us discuss about properties of bulk matter. Bulk matter refer to large amounts of material, not just atoms or molecules, like a block of iron or a glass of water. Mechanical properties. These describe how material behave when forces are applied. First is mechanical properties of solids. Solids have definite shape and volume. When you push, pull, stretch or press them, they respond in different ways. In these, important properties are elasticity, the ability to return to original shape after being stretched. Second is strength, ability to bear a load without breaking. Third is hardness, resistance to being stretched or dented. For example, a rubber band stretches and returns. In this, elastic. A steel rod supports heavy load. This is strong. Next is diamond is hard to stretch. It means it is very hard. Second is mechanical properties of fluids. Fluids include liquid and gases. They flow and take the shape of the container. In this, important properties are viscosity, resistance to flow, pressure, force exerted by the fluid per unit area. Next is buoyancy, upward force exerted by a fluid on an object in it. For example, honey flows slowly, high viscosity. In this, air in a tire exerts pressure on the walls. Third is a boat floats because of buoyancy. Next is thermal properties of matter. These describe how materials respond to heat. In this, important concepts are expansion, conduction, and specific heat. Under expansion, most substances expand when heated. Under conduction, transfer of heat through a solid. Specific heat, how much heat is needed to raise the temperature of a substance. For example, metal expands in the sun. That's why railway tracks have gaps. Spoon in hot tea becomes warm, heat conducted through the spoon. Water heats slowly compared to oil. It has higher specific heat. Next topic is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deal with heat, temperature, work, and how they are related to energy. It explains how energy moves from one place to another and changes form. In this, key concepts are: first is heat. Heat is a form of energy. It flows from hot object to a cold one. For example, touching a metal spoon in hot tea, heat flows from the spoon to your hand. Second is temperature. It tells us how hot or cold something is. It is measured in degrees Celsius or Kelvin. For example, boiling water has higher temperature than ice. Third is internal energy, the total energy, that is kinetic plus potential of particles in a substance. Fourth is work. When heat causes something to move or change, it's doing work. For example, in a steam engine, heat from the steam moves a piston which turns